First we need to remove these. This one sits with 2 screws here. They are already removed. No, and this one is not used anymore. I like that they remove this one as well, since it of course makes it easier with all the cables later on, because they are a pain in the ass to tuck all the new cables in here. So since this is the oldest command, you need this converter for the screen. Just insert this one, like that. This smaller one goes to the screen. Here you have the USB port. Place it whatever you like to have it, going out in the glove box, going out here on the side. So, and this is the power cable for the silver box, and that one goes on this smaller cable, just like that. And the big tip is to try everything out first before you reinstall everything, so you're sure that everything works. And this one goes here, of course, like that, and you're done with that one. And now we have this small one. All this needs to fit behind here, so you can just guess it's a struggle, but it's doable. And this is not that hard. Here we have the infamous Amb connector. You change these out until you got the CAN bus working. And this of course is just for this one. And remember, you have to move the fiber optics to the one going into the command. I know I did that wrong in one video. So take it out here, as you can see, and move it in here. And this one goes here. Like that. There we go. Like so. Plug it in here. So as I said, this is just a test to see that everything works. So as you can see now, the joystick is not working. So that's when we change these until it works. So now I got these set. The B cable goes to the AB, and the loop is the A loop goes to the A cable. And then, as you can see, the joystick works. You go into car info to double check also that everything, and use this one. And as you see, it says KF, that means you're correct. Now we need to set the resolution setting so we get the old screen up here. And then we go to car info, we do a long press on this one. Then we go to original car host parameters, and here we do the original screen resolution. We try different ones, and we keep doing this until it works. So now everything is tested and working. I added for the GPS antenna, instead of using the GPS antenna that comes with the kit, I use a adapter cable from the OEM GPS antenna. You of course get much better reception with the OEM one. That is just connected straight to the screen here. And I installed the AUX that goes into this multimedia interface. So now we just have to get everything in there. And that's actually the hard part. Now when we have come this far, it's time to install these. GPS antenna. Rough that one in there. In here, for these, I used the screws that the original screen was attached with. GPS-antenna. And everything is installed. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Until next time, see ya.